Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change gear in a Tesla Model 3. To begin, locate the gear selector stalk on the right side of your steering wheel. This single stalk manages all your driving modes: drive, reverse, neutral, and park. Understanding its simple operation is key to a smooth driving experience. We will cover each gear selection in detail, ensuring you feel confident and in control of your vehicle. When you are ready to move forward, simply push the gear selector stalk all the way down, past the first detent, and release it. This engages drive. For backing up, push the stalk all the way up, past the first detent, and release it to select reverse. Always confirm your gear selection on the large center touchscreen before accelerating, ensuring you are moving in the intended direction. To put your Model 3 into park, simply press the button located at the very end of the gear selector stalk. This is the safest mode when stationary. For neutral, gently push the stalk either up or down to the first detent and hold it there for approximately 1 second. Neutral is particularly useful for situations like automatic car washes or when the vehicle needs to be towed a short distance. For your safety and the longevity of your vehicle, always ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal before attempting any gear changes. It is also crucial that the vehicle is at a complete stop before shifting between drive and reverse. As an added safety feature, your Tesla Model 3 will automatically engage park if you open a door while the car is not in park, preventing unintended movement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.